Hey, in this video I will install two more SmartWings motorized cellular shades, this time in master bedroom. In my previous video I showed how to configure them on the website and what all the options mean. For this room I ordered the same type of shades, but with slightly different configuration. These are white blackout cellular shades with double cell structure. The double cell design basically means two layers of honeycomb pockets inside the fabric. Those pockets trap air inside and act as an insulation. So the shapes help to keep warmth inside during the winter and block heat from getting in during the summer. Compared to single cell, double cell usually gives better thermal performance and better sound isolation. But before even installing anything, I had to repaint our windows frames because they were disgusting and now they're white and fresh and clean. And also remove these smart devices from Aqara that move curtains, and honestly they were never doing a good job, nearly as good job as smart shades, so they had to go. Because these are blackout shades, the fabric is designed to block light almost completely. That makes them ideal for bedrooms where you want a room to stay dark in the morning. Of course, the actual blackout performance still depends on installation style, and as you can see in this video, I installed them inside the window. You can obviously order the bigger ones and install them different way outside the window, which will block completely any light. But if you install them like I did inside the window, you will still have light cracks on sides. I chose this type of installation just because I didn't want these smart shades to interrupt my interior design. You can basically, they are invisible when they're open. Like all SmartWings shades, these are custom made to the exact measurements you enter on the website. Width and height are cut specifically for your window, so measuring correctly is one of the most important steps when ordering. A few inches can make a difference in how the shade fits and how much light can sneak around the edges.
Like, you can see light, but it's more than enough. It's way more than we used to have with blackouts.
Another important detail when ordering is motor type. SmartWings offers several options depending on how you want to control the shades. The newest option is a Matter motor, which works with all the Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Home, SmartWings, and other Matter compatible platforms. There are also Zigbee and Z-Wave version if you already have a hub that uses those protocols. And finally, if you don't care about smart home integration, you can control all the shades with just basic remotes. And again, you can order a motor that will be powered by rechargeable built-in battery. You can add a solar panel if you want for it to be like completely independent, or you don't have an outlet somewhere near the window. Or choose a motor that simply powers by an outlet like I did. For this setup, I also ordered the Helix Dial Remote, which is honestly one of the nicest accessories they offer. Instead of typical button remote, this one works like a small dial. You rotate it to raise or lower the shades, press it to stop or trigger presets. I put it on the nightstand near my bed, so it's incredibly convenient to wake up and then and you open the shades. Or as in my case, I can just not even open my eyes and just ask Here to open the shades. The installation is pretty straightforward. Each shade comes with mounting brackets, screws, and everything needed to attach it to the window frame. First, you mount the brackets, and then the headrail simply clicks into place. Once both shades were mounted, I paired them with the remote, set up integration into my smart home, and that's it. One thing I very much like about SmartWings is that every single order is basically handcrafted. I mean, it's manufactured individually. So there's no like specific size that you can order from the warehouse. No. Imagine you choose width, height, motor type, installation type, outside or inside the window. You choose fabric and the structure of the whole shade. Very custom work. And despite all that, the turnaround time is surprisingly fast. The product is basically made from scratch the day you order it, and then all the way from China, it will be at your door in less than a week. In my case, I had 2 orders and both of them were at my house less than a week, which is insane. So now the master bedroom has 2 matching white double cell blackout shades. They provide great light blocking for sleeping, extra insulation for this room, and with the Helix Dial Remote right next to the bed, controlling them is extremely easy. If you're new to SmartWings, the key thing you pay attention to when ordering is the shade type, the exact measurements, the motor and smart home capabilities, the mounting style, and a power option. Once you understand these parameters, it is very easy to configure a setup that fits your window and your smart home perfectly. Please support this video by hitting like and leaving a comment, subscribing to my channel, and let me know if you're interested in me doing another project with SmartWings. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.